as you all know, Jamaica have been having certain kind of cyber threat towards schools and hospital and this and government offices. Apparently one of them say them catch a person, and the person where them catch is a man, and this is in regard to, I guess they were getting phone calls and they track him through the phone. That's what Fitz Bailey said. I'ma let you guys take a listen to it.
We have taken one person in custody so far. In terms of in relation to the phone calls, I think we have one person in custody. We have not yet connected him to the letters, to the threats that were issued via email, but we are looking at that direction, and there are other persons that possible suspects that we are actually probing at this time.
No, this is what I'm hearing. I'm hearing that the person them have in custody is a known JLP activist from St. Catherine. Like I say, I can't confirm it, but I just want to bring this update. Now, it just shows that as we, how can I put it? I guess globalization, and as we become more like America, we start get more American crimes and stuff like that in the Caribbean region. You see how things is done in the Caribbean right now. It's emulating America, so I guess it's evolution, and we can't get rid of that. But this is just an update. Like I said, they have somebody in custody with this bomb thing, and from what I hear and see through certain source, they're saying it's a known JLP activist from St. Catherine. I'll keep you guys posted.